Blueforce Development builds cross-platform packaged software products that enable shared situational awareness, location services, collaboration, and edge IoT, IoBT sensor fusion in 5G, MEC, and mobile environments. Please welcome Michael Helfrich, founder of Blueforce Development.
Well, good morning, everyone. My name is Mike Helfrich, and I'd like to thank TN and the team here for allowing us to present to you today. Blueforce is most assuredly a packaged software products company that rapidly connects people, sensors, and AI all together very quickly, delivering actionable insights and autonomous orchestration in IoT time-constrained decision environments. The key to our product package is environments where work processes where ground truth data must be surfaced quickly as the value of it degrades very quickly. While we shipped our first product in 2012, the concept of what we built for mobile edge information sharing started for us in 2003 when I served as a civilian advisor to Paul Bremer in Baghdad, Iraq. Ambassador Bremer was feeling the pain firsthand of information silos and how they were turning once actionable intelligence into non-actionable intelligence at great cost. While I was there, I was very intrigued. More than half of the warfighters, more than half of the State Departments, the NGOs were carrying Palm Pilots. And I'm really dating myself here, but the Palm Pilot was basically a computer because the cell phone had not completely collided with the PDA. So it was fascinating to us that the very people that Ambassador Bremer was anxious to get actionable intel from were actually now carrying computers in their pockets. So when we talk about dual use, as mobile devices became ubiquitous, Blueforce and our product set was born out of requirements in the special operations community here in the U.S. to leverage mobile devices to connect warfighters with other warfighters for shared situational awareness. But as we kind of explored the market segment, we quickly delivered in that quest for product market fit that these folks were going into combat with 20 sensors from 20 different manufacturers with 20 different data formats, and worse, the commander who had to make split-second decisions was flipping between 20 different windows or web applications. Silos of IoT had arrived, much like the silos of information that Ambassador Bremer was experiencing in his quest to make really good decisions. So our software stack eliminates the need to flip between scores of IoT information silos and delivers that single pane of glass. And you can see the continuum moving into 2015 into public sector, 2018 into smart cities, 2020 into the commercial market sectors, where we have got some phenomenal channel masters that resell and bundle our software packages. So as I shared, we have three core products. The first is our mobile product called Blueforce Tactical, Android, iOS. But what it basically does is, in addition to giving you the moving map, the ability to kind of collaborate and see where people are, it gives you that ground truth intelligence, data coming from body-worn sensors, if you're in the fire safety environment, air packs, multi-gas detectors. But the bottom line is, over the last 10 years, we now support more than 350 plus body-worn as well as unattended ground sensors from more than 129 manufacturers. So mobile to mobile, connecting human to human, sharing that real-time sensor data, ground truth and intelligence kind of fused with location-based services. We also have a single pane of glass dashboard called Blueforce Command. It too supports this concept of plugins that can grab data from IoT sensors proximate to the commander. But these plugins can also, on these more compute-intensive environments, can run inside of plugins, AI algorithms, machine learning algorithms, but also core sets of services. And on the Blueforce Command, you can see at the bottom here, you're actually looking at multiple video streams coming from canines, from overhead drones, but it's also showing you probably another 10 to 12 sensors from as many manufacturers. And then finally, Blueforce Edge also has this sensor fusion, but this is built for autonomous types of unattended ground sensors. This product can fuse sensors living in smart city infrastructure to include smart street lights. But we also have a burgeoning and very large market forming with Samsung Digital Display, where we're actually doing core sensor fusion on the smart city intelligent display, not just sensing, but the ability to queue and orchestrate content that gets shown based on various conditions inside of that smart city. So we're focused on three core verticals, and we sell our software as contracted annual recurring revenue, where customers buy 1, 3, or 5-year licenses. Our products are largely sold by channel partners who include OEM, where they embed it with existing products, but we also have a growing and robust set of value-added resellers that wrap services delivery around our capability. Our national security vertical you see in the top there largely focuses on defense and intelligence, while our public sector is focused on smart cities and public safety. The commercial vertical is largely fueled by Samsung to date, and we have others coming on board now who are selling and bundling our tech for cyber physical security, as well as using IoT to influence customer experience inside of large retail chains, sports and spectaculars, and others. And on the right, we did put some logos of existing customers who are deployed with our technology. And in the center column, if you download this, you can see some.
Hey, Michael, we're running over time here. Can you just wrap up and then we can continue in the breakout room? Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. My pleasure. Sorry about that. The competitive matrix, we're definitely in the edge and we're definitely on the platform side. These are our projections. We did 1.68. We're expecting to do roughly 8 million this year. If you're interested, I broke it out over the next 3 years by the core market segments. Use of funds, we're raising 5 million to grow our channels and partner ecosystem, but to also ensure customer satisfaction. And in summary, experienced leadership team, mature, proven, and patented technology with unique solutions for large addressable markets. So I do thank you, and I look forward to talking to anyone in the breakout that wishes to stop by. Thank you.